So we're at the Sunland storage facility, and you can see that this gel coat is, I have restored it. It was cracked. It was terribly faded. I didn't think that I was going to be able to do it. Now it has shine. The shine like it's brand new, and it is protected, so it won't go back to its former state. As long as the owner uses it out once a year, it'll stay shiny and protected. That is beautiful. It is so much better than it was. It's brand new again, like the front of it. Excellent. This is Sunland. You can see all the motorhomes they have here. This is Sunland in this video. That was cool. Let's go with the car wash man. Port Angeles Sequim car wash man. I'll come out and take a look for you. We'll see. We'll get something done. Now this roof right here is being eaten alive, as you can see. The mold is destroying the top. The fixtures, they're going to need new ones one of these days because of the damage that this mold is causing. The molding around the fixtures, the rubber. You see the rubber right there. That will start to leak one day. Let's get that mold off of there. Protectant needs to be applied to this roof right here. The roof should look like this one. This is fairly clean and white. You can use a washing, which I will be doing today. Motorhome, don't let it get like this. Just take a look at your roof every now and then and see where the condition is at. It doesn't cost a whole lot to have your motorhome washed once a year. It's better than having to replace a whole bunch of expensive fixtures. This is beautiful. Look at that sun. You can see the sun in it now. You couldn't see the sun in it before. It was terrible. You can look at the before video of this and see for yourself. The Port Angeles Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man.